See what's in here. Oh, look at this Tim Holtz ideology. It's the field notes. Oh, I love that of his. The fact that it's also so small and cute. This is amazing. Look at this cute little tags and the little mushrooms. Beautiful flowers. I'm so excited. Thank you very much. I'm not going to open it all because they are quite small. This vintage, this is so gorgeous. This is the Electric collection of printed memorabilia. Wow, this is amazing. Oh, look here. This is just stunning. Look here. Ah, love all these small little tags and all these vintage ephemera. This is amazing. I'm probably going to hoard this, but I mustn't. I must just use it because I've got it now. There's no point having it in here. Look at this dominoes also. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm sure all of you know exactly what's in here. All wildflowers of America. Beautiful. Oh, look at all these public schools. It's like a library card. Oh, it's actually report card. She was quite clever. Or he. Don't know. It's Mohammed Gertrude. Got 75% for English and then end up with 83%. So they've improved. It's so amazing to think this was somebody's report card. And here we, in the crafting and Bible journeying community, we are using it as a Ephemera piece. Imagine this report card. Maybe he wasn't very proud of this report card, but now we are using it as a Ephemera piece. It's amazing. That blows my mind. These old photos also, which Tim Holtz has. Obviously, that is obviously been the copyright's been taken away. So obviously it can be used, but all these people floating around in the crafting community. I mean, whose parents and grandparents is that? Let's see what's that. Oh, wow. What is this? Looks very interesting. Oh, look at this little doilies. She probably knows. She follows me. She's a very loyal follower. She knows I love my doilies. This is so cute. It's like vellum. I don't think it's stickers. I think it is. Or is it stickers? Might have to ask her. Don't think so. Look at this frames. Gorgeous. Okay, let's see what else is there. More ephemera pieces. Vintage ephemera pieces. Oh, lovely. Love this. Love this. And then there's some washi. I think stickers. Oh, these is always so nice because they melt into your page. And that is something that I don't find often here in South Africa. As I said, I have ordered it once from AliExpress, but it took so long to get here, and the import tax was so much that it wasn't really worthwhile ordering again. It was actually very cheap, but the import tax was exactly or even more than the cost, which is probably not the end of the world, but I just thought I had to wait so long for it. I didn't really know if I want to do it again. But this is fantastic. Thank you very, very much. Oh, look there. It's also gorgeous. Let's see what else there is. Then there's this thin little journaling cards. Almost like see-through. It's not see-through, but it's not like cardstock. Let's move that away because this is all these washi tape stickers. Oh, I love this. This is so nice. This almost looks like comes from a creative studio type of those vintage ephemera boxes that everybody's getting. It almost looks like it's something like that. I will never run out of any vintage things. I'll definitely have to do junk journal July or January again to use all these things, and obviously I can use it in my Bible journaling. Oh, I love that. It's almost like a washi tape strip. Love this vintage ephemera. Stunning. Oh, it's almost like wallpapers. Oh, this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. This is the wax seals. You smelt it in there. You put the wax seals, and I don't have gold, so that's fantastic. And I actually prefer it like this, because if you put or if you put the wax, I've got the one of these long waxes, and if you put the mats to it, it makes it black. So if you do it from underneath, you won't get it black, so it will be a better impression. So I can't wait to use this. Thank you very much. I always wanted one of these. Ooh, all these little boxes. Oh wow, let's see. Oh, that's envelopes. Envelopes is always very handy for junk journaling. Wow. Oh, actually, I think this is also part of the wax. Look at all these colors. This is amazing. So obviously this is the envelopes which you can use for your wax seal. That is, oh, that's a nice tweezer, obviously to pick it up maybe. There's another one of these. Wow, this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'll have to start making cards. Don't know what this is. Maybe it is to, maybe it's to leave it. Oh, I don't actually know what that is. Maybe there's instructions. If you are watching, please let me know what it is, this thing. I'm not, or anybody who watching, if you know what it is, let me know. Maybe there is some instructions. And then look at all these colors. I mean, you can make any color of the rainbow with these wax seals. There's light pinks, lots of golds, purples, green. Absolutely amazing. And then you get this metallic color pens. Let's test them out. It's silver, this one. Wow. Oh yeah, of course it's silver. I was just looking at that. And this is gold. Wow. I like it's nice and sort of chunky. I like that. Fantastic. I'm looking forward to use this, definitely. Some more Tim Holtz. My goodness, when I said I like Tim Holtz, shame. I really appreciate this so much. I really, really appreciate this so much. Is the ephemera pack, the thrift shop. Look at all these things. Clock, periodic timetable, elements. Oh, look, all these little tickets and things like that. Look at here. Love this also. So many nice stuff in here. I'll have to go through it on my own time, one by one. It's also expedition. Obviously that's to do with travel. Wow, the maps. Fantastic. This is amazing. Some tickets, passport tickets, ship. Love that. There's even a little rope piece connected to that. Special delivery. This was surely a special delivery, this. Look at that. So it's all to do with travel. The set, I'm not going to go through all of it. Oh, and this is the famous Tim Holtz finger. Let's keep hold of that one, definitely. Then here's another pack of gold. I'm going to be able to use wax seals for the rest of my life. Definitely have to think of a way how I can incorporate that in my journaling or even card making, because I try to do some cards on the sideline and then I sell it at fairs. Not like in a big way or anything. I want to actually do a little bit more of that, but time is just always of the essence. Let's see what's that. Ooh, I think I know what this is. Looks like sprays or something like that. Wow. This is fondue wax. I'll have to go and check and see how that is. The stress fondue wax is designed to create luminous metallic highlights. Oh, okay. I'll definitely go and watch some YouTube videos to see exactly how to use this. Oh, I love the gold and the silver. Ooh. And here is another foundry wax. It's the same, gilded. Fantastic. This is the type of things, as I said, we don't always get it here in South Africa. So I'm so happy about that. So thank you very, very, very much for this very special delivery. I really appreciate it. You know who you are. And I appreciate you as a subscriber. And yeah, I was so sad that we couldn't meet here in South Africa, but maybe one day we can. And yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to using each one of these things. I've got the best subscribers. Yeah, this makes it so worthwhile. I'm continuing on this journey. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you just think, are you making these videos for nobody? Sometimes the views is not what you want, but this makes it worthwhile because yeah, I feel appreciated and loved. So thank you very much for you who sent this to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and seeing what it got to me. And I'm so excited for all the Tim Holtz things, and I'm so excited about the wax and everything included, and the stencils. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. God bless. Bye bye.